Is your TV remote suddenly not working? Before you buy a new one, try this simple fix that works for most TV remotes. Whether it's LG, Samsung, Hisense, TCL, Sony or any other brand, let's get started. The first thing to do is to check the batteries. Remove both batteries and make sure they are installed correctly. If they are old, weak, replace them with a fresh pair. Weak batteries are most common reason a remote stops working. With the batteries removed, press every button on the remote one by one. This helps discharge any residual electrical charge trapped inside the remote and can reset unresponsive buttons or internal circuits. Now put the batteries back in and test the remote again. If it's still not working, try this. Remove the batteries again. Using a razor blade or any metal object, gently scrape the positive and the negative battery spring contacts inside the remote. Over time, these contacts can develop oxidation, dirt or corrosion, which should reduce electrical contact between the batteries and the remote. Lightly scraping the contact helps restore a clean connection. Be careful not to damage or bend the springs. Now insert the batteries again. To check if the remote is actually sending a signal, point the front of the remote at your phone's camera. Press any button while looking at your phone screen. If you see flashing white or purple light from the front of the remote, the infrared transmitter is working properly. If you don't see any flashing lights, the remote may have an internal fault and could need repair or replacement. Try this quick fix before buying a new remote. This can save you both time and money. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification for more TV tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you.